Hey, how's business? I'm Jeffrey Rakesh, and today I want to share something close to my heart that I believe will truly make a difference for you and for your business. Over the years, I worked with several startups, SMEs, and industry pioneers through my business mastery workshops and coaching programs. And one thing is certain, business today is not just about survival, it's about mastery. It's about turning ideas into action, scaling beyond limits, and creating a lasting impact. And that's why I wrote Business Mastery to be your essential roadmap through every phase of your business journey. This book isn't filled with empty advices or theories that will not work in real life. This book is a hands on guide that is packed with actionable insights, real world case studies, and Business Accelerator worksheets, which are the practical worksheets that empower you to immediately implement strategies that are tailored for your business. In Business Mastery, you will learn how to align your vision and strategy, master the 8 cores that drive sustainable growth, and face challenges with confidence. Whether it's using the latest technology, building a strong team culture, creating loyal customers, or focusing on long-term success, this book covers it all. I wanted Business Mastery to be more than just a book. I wanted it to be a resource that you can keep close to you, revisit it when you need guidance, and keep it as a toolkit to help your business grow and adapt. So if you're ready to stop surviving and start mastering your business landscape, whether you're launching a startup, scaling your current venture, or rethinking your strategy, this book is for you. So let's take the journey together. Your future self and your business will be grateful to you. Grab a copy of Business Mastery today and let's make your business unstoppable.